this is Bree, and this is
Aiden.
And we are back with another Boxycharm that just came in today.
I haven't been in a lot of videos.
So, we are getting ready to open this and see what's inside.
But we opened two already, so this is our third one. Wait, Mom.
So this is the way it looks.
It's blue.
It is blue. We've been having pinks. This is cool. This is a premium one. Boxycharm Premium. It is Mother Nature themed, packed with gloves and love, because this is COVID-19 time. They packed it using gloves. So this is the May 2020 box. There is information on the back of it. So I will put that in the description for everything and prices, but I'm going to try to say them as we go through. Starting out, first thing we see is Battington.
Battington?
It's a brush set.
It sounds like British.
So there's these two brushes. Here, I like this one. And there's that one. They feel really soft.
Them feel like
I like that because they're not all the same. Like, some of them are shorter and the others are longer. So, this set is a $90 value. And it says, these high performance powder and contour brushes is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Next thing I see in here is Sugar Rush Tarte Lip Butter Balm. I know somebody's going to be stealing this one. It's called Best Bud. All right, we're going to keep opening.
Okay. Let's see what it looks like.
So first thing I see is that it looks all cute inside.
It looks like a little flower.
And it does look like a little flower.
Oh, let me feel the top. Let's see. It doesn't feel like an actual flower.
Would you like to try it for everybody?
Yeah.
This is a $12 value. You'll have the real MVP most valuable pout with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as you feel with curated IG feed. Have you tried it? Put it on your lips.
Put your lips.
How does it feel?
That's good, but I didn't get over yet.
And this is Milk Makeup Glimmer. Glow oil for your lips and cheeks. A sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. And this is a $15 value.
You want to try that out? Mom, do you want to try that out?
If I can get this open, I will.
Ooh, it has a little top too. That's good. So if you want to trip or something and you accidentally drop it,
it's very light,
get everywhere.
But very shimmery. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting.
It's right there.
But it is very shimmery. It's really pretty.
Mom, yeah, put this back.
Aiden's gonna fix that for me.
Yeah. There. I gotta hold my mom every single time. So that's what kids are for. I'll put this back in the box.
The next thing I see is Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara.
That sounds like my dad's name. So weird.
The Expert Mascara has a weightless formula that's a buildable and leaves lashes of their fullest and while being soft to the touch, even after multiple applications. It's formulated with Japanese camellia oil to to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. Manufacturer price is $29.
Ooh. Slowly but surely. And it just popped out. That's scary.
That's kind of cool. It's got like a curve already to it, so when you go up on your lashes, it gives you that natural curve.
I was scared you guys to do it to me. A minute.
Excuse my dog that's deciding to now bark again.
That's those other dogs.
This is Skin & Co. It is Truffle Therapy. And it's eye concentration. Hello Bright Eyes. And that's what it looks like.
What is that? Like a blush?
It's the eye stuff.
Ooh.
It smells actually really good.
Ooh, it does.
Surprisingly. And
Wait, you already read this? Oh yeah.
let's see if it's on here. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentration. Created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. It's $66 value.
I got it.
Last but not least is Pureheals by Nature Village. Centella 90. Looks like that.
Put this behind you.
It says a soothing serum containing 90% of Centella extract relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. The serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. Manufacturer price is $28, and it looks like this.
And there's more to read.
There's a little dropper inside of it to do that.
And there's the instruction level on the back of it.
So we want to thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and
give us a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.